Hi everyone, today I will be showing you how to use role-based prompting. I'm going to be doing a series for this, and in today's video I will be showing you how to use role-based prompting as a teacher. Before we get into today's video, there's another video in my description that you can watch before this, which will be very useful. Okay, so what is role-based prompting? Role-based prompting is a prompt engineering technique where you instruct an AI to model a specific persona, profession, or character before performing a task. By assigning a role, you can guide the model to adapt a particular tone, communication style, and level of expertise associated with that identity. This can significantly improve the relevance and specialization of the output. Okay, so the first thing I will be showing you is like step one, basic prompt. So I'm just gonna copy this. Okay, so step one, let's get rid of this. Step one, basic prompt, low quality. Teach me math. The problem with this, it's very vague and not educational. So ChatGPT has nothing to base off, which is why it's like giving this like, why is this prompt low quality? So on. Okay, so to make this prompt better, you add a role plus educational context. So, act as an educator teaching year 8 students, explain general mathematics. So, let's copy this. Okay, now since I've added a role and educational context, it's given me so much more. To take this to the next level, you refine it with learning constraints. So, rewrite this explanation focusing on algebra and fractions rather than division and multiplication. So, let's copy this, paste it. Okay, now it's given it on general mathematics, on just fractions, decimals, and percentages, and ratios. It's also given algebra basics. So you can see how it's progressively getting better and better because the prompt is getting better and better. Now I'll be showing you persona plus format combination. So here is the prompt. Let's just copy and paste this. So act as an experienced high school educator. Your audience is year 8 students. Create a checklist outlining the main math skills needed. So this prompt is adding professional role plus student level plus output format. So the professional role is high school educator, the student level is year 8, and then the format is create a checklist. So it's done exactly that. Now, multi-shot prompting. Here is the role for multi-shot prompting. Let's just copy paste this. Okay, so you're an educator assessing a student's work. Here are how the students answer the question. So example 1, example 2. Now evaluate the following student's response and provide feedback. So the purpose of this is to use examples to teach professional reasoning patterns. So now it has given me, like what the student did well, areas for improvement, specific feedback. It's just basically just telling you what to do. Okay, now chain of thought prompting. Chain of thought prompting. Here is the prompt. Okay. Now it says, act as an educator. Explain how year 8 students should think through the test on algebra. Explain your reasoning step by step, focusing on observation and prioritization. So The purpose of this is encourage step-by-step thinking, not conclusions. So, how to think through an algebra test. Step 1, pause and observe. Step 2, identify the type of algebra question, decide what to do first, work step by step and stay organized. It's basically just telling you what to do. Okay, now, an act as prompt system. So, this one is basically just saying, like, what you can act as. So, let's paste this. I've chosen act as a high school educator, but you could do act as a primary school educator or even act as a principal. This one is just about who you want to act as. So it could be a math teacher, an English teacher, anybody. Okay. Now, last but not least, prompt sandwich method. So, the prompt sandwich method is when you use the context, the task, and constraints. So the context I've given is you're an educator teaching students, explain simple algebra, and progressively get harder. So here it's just saying what algebra is, so very basic, and then it's just becoming harder and harder. So here's even harder. Okay, I hope you understand. Thank you for watching.